Today we are going to do this topic, that is your labeling inversions of tonic triads. In this one we are going to learn two things. One is the root position with inversions and the chord symbol. So as you can see here in the example, this is C major. So there are two ways to show your chord, your root position with the inversion. This is the Roman numeral number. Remember that. In simple words, to major scale we make it with the capital, okay, and the minor we make with the smaller one, okay. So that is the only thing you have to remember. This is for major and this is for minor. Now next is, for the first inversion we write B and second inversion we write C, okay. This is both applies to major and minor in both. So you can see here, this is the first inversion. So if the root position is C, D, E, F, G, so you know this is the first note, so this is the first inversion. Then if the E will be next, so if this comes next, here it is goes E, G and C, so this will come first B. So the first means this is major, okay, root position is, and this is B of it, okay. Now third will come G, C and E, so this is called 1C. That makes, okay. So just remember, this is the first inversion and this is second inversion and this is the root position. Same thing happens with the minor scale as well. So here you can see this is A, B, C, D and E. This is the three notes. So this is the root position, so we write small one. Then this is second inversion, that is C, E and A, so this becomes second inversion 1B. And this is E, A and C. This is the second inversion. This becomes 1C. Okay, but one in smaller one. Now next we goes to chord symbols. What is chord symbol? Chord symbol is that you show the which chord you're playing. Or so remember this root position inversions you write at the bottom, not at the top. So you have to write them in the bottom. You can see here, this is not at the top, this is at the bottom. And chord symbols you write on the top, not the bottom. On the top, not the bottom. Remember that. Okay. Now in this one you just showed straight away C is a root position. So this is a C chord because that is a main chord, and this is the first, for the first inversion you write the E because E at the root position. Here you write G because G at the, this is C chord, but this is first and second progression inversion of it, but you write that this first chord starting on the second inversion, and that is E will be the root note, and here C is the chord but starting G is the root note. So that is what we do here in the major scale. Now in the minor, remember you will write M so that it shows that it's a minor chord. Okay, for the major you don't need to write M. We don't write M here, we only write M with the minor one. So remember, you can see this A minor scale, so A minor because that is a root note as well as a chord. This is first inversion. Second one you can say A minor C, so C is the second inversion because C, if you see A, here was A, C and E was a note, here it is C, E and A, so that is why C is there because C at the bottom. Here you can see it's E, A and C, so it's A minor scale and E at the bottom number. So this is what we have to do in this one. So remember, root positions inversions in Roman number you write at the bottom, and the chord symbols you write at the top, and just remember that one. If you have any question in regards to this, just write in the comment section. Okay, so let's move forward. So this section you don't need to understand right now. This is nothing to do with your exam. Nothing will come from exam. So you don't need to worry about this one. We'll straight away go to the question. So the first question you can see is, write the key signature and the tonic triad of each for each of the keys shown. Then write its first and second inversion. Label them using Roman numeral below the stave and chord symbol above. Okay, so we have to write all the key signatures, then we have to write the chords in first, second and third, then we have to label them with the chord symbol and the root position inversion. So let's start. So this is D major. So let me just make it slightly bigger. So D major, we note there's two sharps, one is F This is the key signature, and C, and the notes will be here. If 5 notes D, E, F, G, A. So we know that the first, third, and the fifth note makes the chord. So we write from the D here. So let's take this D. Yes, this is D, this is F, and this is A. This is the first one. Next we're gonna take, so the first time we have the notes taken D, F, and A. So now second inversion we're gonna take it F, A, and D, and the third one we're gonna take A, D, and F. So here we're gonna take F, A, and D here. Okay, and the third one we're gonna take A, D, and F. Okay, now first we're going to write the root with the normal number. So this is major scale. So this is, we write capital Roman number, then this is 1B and 1C. Now with the chord symbol, we're going to write D here. Okay, here we're going to write D slash, this is F, but this is F sharp. Remember that. Okay, and then we have to write D again, D slash A. Okay, so remember, if any of the chord having the key signature is used, so you have to mention that over here. Okay, let's move to the next one. So next one we have B minor, B minor scale. So B in minor we know again has two sharps. One is F sharp. So B minor also have your F sharp and C sharp as a key signature. So let's type that. So we're gonna go F sharp and C sharp. Next B minor. So the notes would be here B, C, D, E, F. So we're gonna use these three notes. So start from B. So you can say B is here. Let's start from B here. B, D, and F note. Okay. Let me just make this one again. This is slightly. Okay. Next we start from D. So this is our D. Then we have F. And then we have B. So this is our B here. Okay. The last one we're gonna start from F. Then we have B. And then we have to go to C and D here. Okay. Now let's put the chord symbol. So this is our B minor. So B minor. Then we have so we are not using F is sharp here. Here we have to use. This is B minor, and this is, we start on the second. This is D. Okay, and last one we have B minor with F sharp. Okay, at the bottom we have to write small. So small A, and then small, sorry, this is B. I have to write B here, and this is C. Okay, that's how we finish our this one. Let's move to the next one. This is our C major. So C major, you know, there is no key signature. So we start from C. So this is one C is here. Let's take the bottom one. So if this is C, B, A, G, F, E. So let's take it from this C only. So take it C, D, E, F, and G. So let's take next one. So the here C, D, E, F, and G. We're going to take C, E, and G. So we're taking C. Next one we're going to have our E. So let's start from E, then G, we have A, B, and then C here. Okay. Next one we're gonna take from F, from G. So this is our G, A, B, C, D, E. So this will be our E, this is C, then this is D, and this is E here. So let's give them the name. This is C. So this is C, E, and this is C, G. This is 1, this is 1B, this is 1C. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Next one we have C minor. So C minor, we know C minor has three keys. One is your B flat, then your E flat, and A flat. Okay. So let's make that first. So we're gonna start from B here, key signature. So we start with B flat, then we go to E flat, and then we go to A flat here. Okay, let's make the key signature. We start from C, so let's start from this C. This is C. So the same C, D, E, F, G. We're going to take these three notes here. So C, E, F, and G. Next, we're going to take from E. So take E, G, A, B, and we're going to take C. Okay, the last one you're going to start from G. So this will be your G. Then we're going to have our C, D, and then E. Okay, let's make the names. This is C minor. This is C minor. We start with E, but E is flat, remember that. This is C minor, start with G. Okay, here we have to point the smaller one, B, and C. That's how we finish it. Okay, now next one we have F sharp minor. So F sharp minor, we know we have as a key signature, three key signature, that is your F, C, and G. Okay, so let's make, here we're gonna go F, G, A, B, and C. So we're gonna use F, A, and C. So let's start from F here, from this one, F, A, and C. Next one should be A, C, and F. Last one should be A, F, G, A, B, and C. Okay, right? So, and chord will be your F sharp minor. Then this is your F sharp minor slash. This is, we starting on A. Then last one should be F sharp minor. Last is C. But this time C should be sharp because C is sharp. Okay. At the bottom we again come with the smaller one. Then IB and then 1C. Okay. Next one. We're gonna go again. This is E flat major. So E flat major, we know we have again three key signature as notes as key signature. That is our B flat, E flat, and A flat. This is B flat, E flat, and A flat. So let's mention it here. So this is our B flat, E flat and A flat. Let's start. The notes will be E, F, G, A, and B. We're going to use E, G, and B. Start from E here. Let's make this E. Then we have G and we have B. Let's start from G here. Then we have B and we have E. Then we start from B, E, and G here. This is major scales. We're gonna put, we have E flat major, this will show, and next will be E flat slash, we start from G, next is E flat and starts with B. But B you have to put flat because in key signature it is a flat, so we have to put flat here. Here we're gonna go, this is major scale, 1B and then 1C. Okay, next one we have G minor. So G minor, we know we have two notes as a key signature. One is your B and one is your E. So let's make one B and E. Okay, so let's start from the notes will be G, E, sorry, G. We're gonna make G, A, B, C, and D. We're gonna use G, B, and D. So let's start from G here. This is G, this is B, and this is D. Next start from B, then your D and G. Next you're gonna start D, G, and B. So we go G minor, then G minor, we have B and B as flat, then G minor, this is D. Okay, here we put the smaller Roman numeral B and one C. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, now this is E minor. E minor we know has only one key signature, that is F sharp. So let's make that. This is C, D, E, F. So we're gonna go F sharp. Then we're gonna make notes will be E, F, G, A, and B. So we're gonna use E, G, and B. Start from this is, let's start from here, C, B, A, G, F, E. So let's start from this E here. Okay, E, F, G, A, and B here. Next we have G, then B, then C, D, E, this one here. Next we have B, then we have E, and then we have G. Okay, so this is E minor. We're gonna go E minor. This is E minor slash G, and this is E minor slash B at the bottom, smaller numeral number. Okay, next one we have G major. In G major, this is one sharp key, so that is F sharp, and the notes will be G, A, B, C, and D. So we're going to use G, B, and D. Let's start from here. This is G, B, and D. Okay, next is B, D, and G. Next would be D, G, A, and B. So this will be G major at B, G major at D here, This is B and this is C. Okay. Next one we have is A minor. A minor again, no key signature. And A, B, C, D, and E. We're going to use A, C, and E. Let's start from A. This is bass clef. So A, C, and E. Next is C, E, and A. Next is E, A, B, and I'm going to use, sorry, C will be here. Slightly space we need. This is A. Then we need one here, and this is C. Okay. So this is the first one. This is A minor. Then this is A minor C. And this is A minor E. This is small numeral number 1, B, and 1, C. Okay, next one is F major. F major has, you know, one flat, that is B flat. So we're going to use B flat. Let's start from F, F. The notes would be F, G, A, B, and C. F, A, and C. So F, A, and C, right? Then we're going to start from A, C, and F. Next we're going to go C, F, G, and A. Okay, so this will be your F major, A, F major from C. Here we got Roman numeral bigger one. Sorry, this is C. This is C. Okay. Next is D minor. So D minor, you know, we have one flat, that is B flat, and here it will come here, B flat. Here we start from D. So let's start from D here. So this is our D. So notes would be D, E, F, G, and A. So D, F, and A. So D, E, F, G, and A. Right. Next one we start from F, A. We got B, C, and D here. Okay. Right. Next one we start from A. So this is our A, B, C, D. Then we have E, and then we have F. Okay, so this is our D minor. This is D minor with F, and D minor from A. This is smaller one, 1B, and 1C. Next we have A major. A major, we have three notes of the key signature. That is your F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So G is here. Okay, so next we're gonna do, let's start from A. So notes will be A, B, C, D, E. So A, C, and E. So start from A here, A, C, E. Here we're gonna go C, E, A. Then we're gonna go E, A, B, and C. So this is our A major with C. We need to put C sharp here because the key signature is sharp, and this is A, E, Roman number, B and C. So here we finish about this topic. If you have any question in regards to this, please let me know. I'll try to help. I'm sorry that I'm not being able to put the videos very regular because I told you I'm not a full-time YouTuber, and that is why it takes me some time to upload the videos because I have my other classes as well. That keeps me busy. So, but I'll try my best to put as much as I can. Okay. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.